Flip 7. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to score 200 points. Each number card has a quantity in the deck equal to its number. Zeros and score modifier cards only have one copy, while there are 3 copies of each action card. Pick a dealer who shuffles the deck, then flips one card face up to each player one at a time. If an action card is revealed on the deal, then pause to resolve it before continuing with the next player. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you may either hit or stay. If you hit, then the dealer flips over one more card for you. If that card is a duplicate number for any number card you already have, then you bust and flip all your cards face down. You are out of the hand, score no points, and all your cards may not be looked at. If the card is not a duplicate, then place number cards next to each other in a row and score modifiers above them. Your turn is now over and the next player goes. If you decide to stay, then you score points for all the cards in front of you. You may not stay if you do not have any cards. Add up all your number cards together, along with any bonuses, then record your score on a score sheet. You are now out of the hand and all your cards are flipped face down. Modifier addition cards still count even if you have no other number cards, while the modifier multiplier card only multiplies your number cards, not your modifiers or any bonus. The 0 card is worth no points, but it can help you achieve the Flip 7 bonus. Whenever you have 7 unique number cards, action and modifier cards do not count, you get a bonus 15 points and the hand ends immediately and every other player scores their points. When the dealer flips you an action card, you must pick a player still in play, including yourself, for it to affect. If you are the only player remaining in the hand, then the action card must affect you. The action cards are freeze. Force the targeted player to stay. They score all their points, flip over their cards, and are out of the hand. Flip 3. The dealer flips 3 cards over, one at a time, for the targeted player. Each card is resolved before the next one is flipped. So, if a 7th unique number is revealed, then the hand ends immediately with the Flip 7 bonus. Or, if the dealer flips another Flip 3 or freeze card, then the target player must wait for their current action to finish before they apply it. If they flip a second chance, then apply it immediately. If they bust, then they are out of the hand and no more cards are flipped. Second chance. This card is kept until used. Each player may only have 1 second chance card in their possession at a time. If you are dealt a duplicate second chance, then you must assign it to another player. If you're the only player left, or if all players already have one, then discard it. Whenever a duplicate number is flipped on you, you can discard your second chance, along with that duplicate number card, to a face-down discard pile to protect yourself from going bust. When the hand ends, all second chance cards are discarded, regardless if they were used. If no player gets a Flip 7 in a hand, then the hand ends after every player has either busted or stayed. Set all cards used in the hand aside, face down, do not shuffle them back into the deck. The roll of dealer rotates clockwise by 1 and a new hand is played. When the draw deck runs out of cards, the set aside cards are shuffled into a new draw deck. Do not shuffle any cards in front of the players, even from those players who busted or stayed. At the end of a hand, when at least one player has reached 200 points, then the player with the most points wins. If it is a tie, then play another round.